I spent a lot of time washing and scrubbing the floor before knowing this tip. First, in a container, I will add 2 liters of water. Next, I will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, one of the main items of this mixture, facilitating the removal of stains. I will mix well until diluted completely in water. Tell me if you've done any cleaning tips, and not just using conventional products. Now I will also add 3 tablespoons of detergent, and we will mix well. The detergent is responsible for facilitating the time to rub and acts directly on the dirt for being decreasing. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Eliza Carballo from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. We will also add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using alcohol vinegar, and only 2 spoons are enough in this mixture. The last item I will add to our mix is the cleaner for furniture, fully responsible for bringing shine back to any floor that will use this mixture. Let's mix one last time and our mixture will be ready. To facilitate the application, I will add all the liquid in a bottle. That will make it easier to use the product. To avoid waste, I will also use a funnel. And once I put all the mixture, it will be ready for use. This tip is best suited for cleaning floors that contain stains or a lot of dirt. It will become more effective. Just by rubbing with the broom, I can already remove all the dirt and then just wipe. I hope this tip will help you in the cleaning you want. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.